Black tourmaline absorbs negative energy, projects a shield around you. Rose quartz, heart chakra, unconditional love. Rainbow moonstone. Which cycle of the moon or the moon goddess do you resonate with? And then we have yellow-green serpentine. Interesting combination today. Okay, so negativity, what are you holding on to, or what have you just let go of? Perhaps it's time for some forgiveness work. Forgiveness is not about saying whatever somebody did or didn't do was okay, you liked it, and you want more, please and thank you. Forgiveness is about releasing the bond, cutting the cord, removing the attachment to a situation, a person, an experience, so that it frees you to live in a different vibration, a higher vibration. Moonstone. What cycle are you in, whether it is a new moon, full moon, or what are the waxing or the waning? What cycle are you in regards to your purpose, to your manifestations, to your inner work, your healing work? And since this is yellow-green serpentine, we have solar plexus as well as, so the solar plexus for manifestation of wealth expansion, opportunities, expansion of insights. Does that make sense? And having the energy to work with everything in that way. Okay. And here, Red Jasper wanted to join us. Grounding, protection, passion. And who else? Let's see, who else? Ooh, amethyst in the raw. Amethyst can also provide protection as well as insights and helping you connect to your guardian angels, to your spirit guides, whomever it is, the saints, the archangels, whomever it is that you work with. All right, these are the Beyond Lemuria cards, and the top one and the bottom one. Perhaps one kind of sort of in the middle, but not exactly. Okay. First one. Radical expansion. Okay. So, let's hear, okay, the dragon. I want to show you the entire card. Look at all these beautiful, beautiful colors. And because it's a number 40 or 4, stability, right? 4 because you have a foundation like 4 pegs or 4 legs on a stool, on a table. Okay, some tables have more than 4, but primarily 4 is about stability and dependability. Are you able to depend on yourself? Dragon, transformational energy, radical expansion. What are you in the midst of or thinking about or having just finished doing something radical for you, as in taking care of yourself and really working on not caring what other people think? That is such a hard thing, especially for me. That's not what I was taught. I was taught that everybody else comes first, and maybe, just maybe, there's something left over for myself, which didn't usually happen. Rose quartz. What is your heart chakra asking of you? Is it more self-care, like journaling, working out, going on a walk, indulging in a cookie? What cycle are you in or have just left that is pulling at you or asking you to leave something behind? Your wealth expansion, your prosperity and abundance vibe. Where is that, beautiful soul? Just take a check-in. It's not calling you out. It's just hopefully helping you to figure out where you are and to shift your thoughts, your emotions, actions. Red Jasper, connection to Mother Gaia, grounding, passion and protection, right? And manifestation too at times. And then extra protection through your spiritual connections with your guides. That's what radical expansion means to me. That's the message that I'm getting at this moment. This one. Are you allowing yourself to really shine, your real self, even if it's just in your own room, in your own space, your own home? Blues and greens and purples, are you allowing your light to shine, or are you hiding yourself away? Come from your heart. You don't have to say anything. Just be you. And those who do not resonate with you will fall away. Some of those friendships and relationships will come as a surprise, or could. And others just like, okay. And it creates space for more authentic connections with yourself and others. And this one, unlimited, isn't that what we were just talking about a little bit? Here's a lotus blossom. Here, the entire card. Lotus blossom coming up from the murky depths of its muddy pond and all the way up to the top, past the leaves. That is definitely an adventure, and it's a journey. The unlimited self. So often we're taught, and it's been projected on us and hammered into our heads. It's been hammered into mine. And truly, there are times I wish I would just be done with the lesson. And yet, it is also about uncovering different layers, going deeper and deeper, so that other memories surface and you can deal with them with love and compassion. Come up from your own depths. Be willing to really see yourself and others as their true self. As always, beautiful soul, if you like this, please put the thumbs up down below. If you have any comments or questions about this, let me know. And there will be a list of all of these crystals down below. This is the Tree of Life selenite disc. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.